Here we are this week, Page Estate Sales, having a sale in Brentwood. This one is a moving across country, and the house is going to get torn down. So let's go inside and see what we've got. So we have a lot of glassware. There's some lamps. And we do have some banquet tables that are going to be for sale after the sale. Like this long one here, this one. All kind of plates. We got a Japanese art. We have some jewelry. We have koi fish. More dishes and artwork. We have a dining room table with 2 addle leaves you can see over there in the floor. It does have a pad on it. It's in excellent condition. This is a matching hutch that goes with it. And I believe that table there is a set along with that table and those benches when we walked in. That's all a matching set. So then we have all kind of antique plates and crystal. We have Tiffany. Then we go into the kitchen, and we have all kinds of stuff here. The refrigerator will be for sale, as will the microwave. We have an assortment of Ziploc bags there, as you can see. We have all kinds of plates and dishes and fancy things here on the kitchen. And then we're going to move into the den. And we have things here. I'm going to sweep the den and we're going to come back. I've got a bedroom I want to show you real quick. There's the front door. So then there's a free table that we're going to sell. And these are 2 more tables that we're going to sell eventually, as well as the linens. And we have a dresser with mirror. We have a Penn State rocker. More linens, lamp, and another little dresser that matches the other one. Then we're going to go into the den. Oop. So we have that TV there. And we got some other things here. We have a recliner and a sofa. Got that hutch there. And we have a sofa here. Got an exercise machine, bicycle, sit down. We do have a drone. This one is, I'm not sure of the brand. And then we have some paintings. This mantle, I understand, came from Fort Nashboro. And that's a solid piece of wood. We have some Winnie the Pooh artwork from the 50s. We have these two, these are really nice locking file cabinets made of wood. Little bench couch there. A little end table there. The lamp. So now let's go outside. Out on the back deck. We have a wrought iron table with 4 chairs. Got a locker with some tools in it. We've got a grill with cover, and it looks brand new. And this thing is, it's in good condition, and it stays covered. And then we have this Gaboto. I'm not sure what you call this, but it will sell. Just got to bring some help and some tools that would fit that. And we've got a couple of barrels over there for planting, a glider, it's very nice, plastic chairs, odd end pots, another table. We do have a greenhouse for sale. And if anybody's game, we do have a tower antenna that will expand up. I'm not sure how high it goes. I have to ask the owner, but it does go pretty high and was used in ham radios. Okay. So then let's get back inside. And we're gonna go through the kitchen, and I'll just take you really quick. We've got stuff in the pantry, by the way. And we got more stuff in the pantry. Oops. And what else? Got a toaster oven. And we go into the laundry room. We do have a washer and dryer for sale. This would be an excellent starter or Airbnb. We've got a few vacuum cleaners and Swifters, and we've got cleaning supplies. And there's a Mock vacuum cleaner, works pretty good. I have used it. And let's go into this room. I thought this was interesting. There's a periodic table of elements, just like in high school. So we have wall-to-wall stuff going on in here. Do have a few books and magazines. few older film cameras. Nikon. I think there's a newer digital Nikon. There's a Brother printer. I haven't tried that, but I would say it does work. Got a few cassettes, a few CDs. We do have 2 old typewriters. There's one of them. So Tom Hanks, you're listening. I know you like those. There's a telescope. And what else we got? These desks are for sale. We've got these rolling racks right here. So we've got that one built, and we've got, I understand, 5 more behind it. And those are nice, and they're adjustable. This is a bamboo mat. Looks like it's got a travel bag with it. This was actually rolled out, and I rolled it up. This is another one that's brand new, just like it. Those are just empty boxes. We get a few hats, not too many clothes, but a few. We got wrapping paper, a few Christmas odd and end things, hangers, closet kind of stuff, some gloves and scarves. And that about does it up here. We're going to go downstairs and check out the garage. So we have a lot of items on this. Just found we've got some albums here, and as much as I hate to see it, we've got actually some Beatle albums, and you can see that these have got some. I don't even know who that is. Anyway, there's Revolver, the Beatles. And there's another one somewhere underneath that. There's a microwave. Got all kinds of different things down here. Got some folding chairs. I've got 2 aluminum ladders, and then I've got this step ladder, and then 2 short step ladders, aluminum. Another office chair. I believe those are blinds. Yep. And what else? So, got a cathode oscillograph. So we've got some of that. Some edging for your landscape. We got a few tools in here. There's a lot of trimmers and things like that for yard work. And then I'm going to show you this other room I've got behind me that's got all kinds of tools. We got some oil, 10W40, like 5W30. And I got a couple of ladders there. So, TV upstairs. That's the box that came in. It's a 58-inch Roku. That, and then we're going to go in here. So, got a model airplane there. Some kids' toys. A grinder, a welder with a helmet, a power roller, Wagner, 2 drill presses, a small one and a serious one, and then every kind of drill bit that you can imagine. And we got these little screw caddies. This toolbox is full of that kind of saw blade. These are individual little kits that are pretty nice, pretty much all there. A plumbing fish. We got some more hand tools. We got some electronics toolboxes here that hold diodes and that kind of thing. And it's got diodes. I think that's from an aircraft there. It's like a it's some kind of gauge for an airplane. Then we have more drill bits and tips and tools. And we've got this nice Craftsman that's full of tools. I mean, some decent stuff. So this is not a bad toolbox right there. Got a few toolboxes there. Some of them have things. Most of these down here have something in it. And there's some more tools there. Tried to sort through a lot of this. Had a lot of stuff. Now we've got another, like a box of tools there for selling, and these little caddies that have different kind of screws and diodes, and we got some file cabinets if you need that. We got shelving. Got this metal one. Got this one and another plastic one like it. That's a metal one in the middle. And I believe that's just about it. Thanks for watching. Please come and see us.